What's up and welcome back to the YouTube channel, guys. Today I'm going to be talking about dogs community bot. Now, introducing dogs. The dogs, it's the most Telegram native meme coin. So what do you do on dogs bot? All they just do is just to check your profile, how many years you've been on Telegram, how active you are on Telegram, and they will reward you according to your Telegram profile. Do you like to wait? You can see it here on the dogs community. Neither do we. Here are the key things about the upcoming dogs listing. No locks or vesting. Community gets the largest part of the token. Of course, they'll be launching on the Ton blockchain. So now new ways to earn dogs will be available soon. And heading over to the bot as a new user, you just click on the let's go and they'll bring out your profile, how active you've been on the dogs bot. Now you do check your years, if you're a Telegram premium user, and so on and so forth. Now this is my own dog's profile here, and all you just have to do, you will see something like connect your Ton wallet here in this place that's connecting now. But I've already connected mine, so you see connecting. So you do their taxes, make a Ton transaction, invite friends, do this, do that, blah blah blah, and all of that. Now the key thing you need to know about dogs is that dogs will be listing on the 14th, which is Telegram's birthday. Okay, so on July 22nd here, we can see it here introducing daily check-ins. Now, if you check this video, this picture well, you will see the 14th was circled. You can see the 14th that was circled. So here, and now scrolling over to what they posted on the July 31st, you can see here they said, did you know that that August 14 is Telegram's birthday? We'll also have something for you to celebrate. So you can see here. You can see here 14th. You can see it. 14th. Save the dates. That will be the day that dogs will be listing. So try as much as possible as you can to get enough dogs. Do enough tasks. Refer your friends and your community to dogs. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like this video if you like it. And then share with your family and friends so they partake in this airdrop. Thank you.